Today topic is the rectangular marquee tool. This tool in Photoshop, that is the third tool. When we open a Photoshop, that time you can go to the toolbar. In this one, the third tool is called a rectangular marquee tool. This tool shortcut key is M. First, you can select a rectangular marquee tool. That time in option bar, lot of options it is showing. In this option bar, first option is the new selection. When we can select the new selection, it is select and we can draw the rectangular like this shape or this shape. Means how you want that type, you can drag the rectangular here. Just I can draw the rectangular. After that, don't release the mouse, because of that we can move the rectangular. Just press spacebar and you can move the rectangular in this document anywhere. After move the rectangular, you can release your mouse. Now again, now you can see when you can touch that line, the dotted lines, that time the rectangular marquee is selected. After that also you can move this rectangular in this document anywhere. Otherwise you can drag and drop the document here also, another documents also. Now we can come here. Okay, after that we can select a brush tool and we can fill the color here. Now here's showing little bit small dotted lines. That dotted lines you want to remove means you can go to the select and deselect option. When we can select the deselect, the dotted lines is removable. Next, again you can select a rectangular marquee tool. Now, what is the second option? That option is called a add to selection. When we can select add to selection and we can draw the rectangular, we can add like this. Like this we can add. After that we can select a brush tool. If you want which color you want, you can choose the color and fill color here. Like that we can use a add to selection. Next, again you can create a one more new layer. Now again you can select a rectangular marquee tool and go to the third option called a subtract from selection. You can select the subtract from selection. You can draw the rectangular marquee tool and you can draw subtract here. When you can select drag the subtraction selection, that time some part it is deleted, the rectangular some part it is deleted. After that you can select a brush tool and you can fill the color also. Yes, like this type we can use the subtract from selection. Again I can close the eye symbol. Again I can create a new layer. Now again I can select a rectangular marquee tool. That time last option, that is called a intersect with selection. Before intersects with selection, first you can select auto selection. You want to draw this rectangular and add like this. Yes, this type you can add some rectangular marquee tool. After that you can go to the intersect with selection. Now you can see I don't want this much of area. That time we can select the intersect from selection. I can select and drag here. That time what happened, down portion is deleted, top portion it is showing. Just I can release my mouse. That time the down portion it is deleted. After that you can select a brush tool and fill the color here. Again you can press Ctrl D. Now again I can close this eye symbol and click plus, create a new layer. Okay. After that I can select a rectangular marquee tool. Now see, when I can draw the rectangular marquee tool, that time you can see here the edges will be little bit sharpness it is there. See, suppose I can select a brush tool and fill a color here. Now I can press Ctrl D. You can see edges will be little bit sharpness it is there. But my edges will be little bit rounded corner I need. That time what we can do, we can select a rectangular marquee tool. Here feather is there. I can increase the feather value, that is around 20. After that I can draw one rectangular shape. See, you can see here edges will be like coming to curve shape. After that I can select a brush tool. I can fill the color inside the rectangular. Now you can see what is the difference between this and this, means the edges will be coming blurriness and this edges will be coming sharpness. Why means when we increase the feather, the time edges will be coming little bit blurriness. Now we can select a rectangular marquee tool. Again I can press 0. Now what is the next option? We can go to the styles. In styles there are three types it is there. One is normal and second is fixed ratio and third is the fixed size. Normal. When we can select the normal, here 1 minute I can create one more new layer. Now in normal we want we want that type we can draw this rectangular, means how much width you want you can draw it, how much height you want you can draw it, like that we can draw in normal. Okay, next what is the next option? Fixed ratio. When we can select a fixed ratio, here width and height it is showing. See, suppose height is 180, I can type it here, and width is 80, sorry, width is 80, height is 10. Now I can draw the line. But why it is not coming down means here we can fix ratio, that is 80, this is width is 80 and height is 10. That is the reason it is coming like this. Next option is the fixed size. You can fix one size 64 by 64. Otherwise we can 280, here 280 I can type it and click it here. See, that is called a square. Yes, otherwise we can type here 900 by, see, like this type it is coming. Okay, 1 minute. Suppose not 900, here I can do 50 and click it here. See, height is 50, width is 280. Width is 50, height is 280. Yes, like this type we can draw fixed size. Okay, next what is the select and mask? That, see, I can open one document. Yes, here I want to edit this chair. That time first you can select the move tool, select this object. After that you can select a rectangular marquee tool. You can select like this. When you can select that time, you can click this select and mask option. When you can select and mask option, here lot of options it is showing, add detection and view mode. See, here you can click means view mode it is showing. Okay, which one you want you can select here. After that you want a little bit blurriness in edges, means you can increase the radius. Smoothness also you can increase the smoothness, that time it is showing. Come little bit down, that time here output 2, that option you can click here. Here lot of options it is there. In this one we can select new layer with layer mask. I can click this one and I can click OK. See, here you can see one mask layer it is created automatically. Suppose I can close all things, all layers. You can see only the mask part it is showing. Okay, suppose you can move this chair. Okay, chair to drag and drop here. Yes, Like that, we can use the rectangular marquee tool.